Hello everyone, I am Manish Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel's Mathematics Curiosity. In this video, I am going to solve a question from calculus. Okay, and these questions I have picked from GATE 2019. It carries 2 marks. Okay, let R be the region in the xy plane bounded by the curves. Okay, y equal to x square, y equal to 4x square, xy equals to 1 and xy equals to 5. The two are parabola xy equals to 1 and xy equals to 5. Then the value of the integrals y square by x dy dx is how much? That means, in short, we have to find the double integrations of these functions over the region. Okay, so if we draw the graphs and find the point of intersections, then it will take time, and this is a traditional way. So I don't go through this method. I am using the change of variable method basically. So using change of variable method, I assume let u equals to, okay, u equals to y by x square, okay, and v equals to xy. Are you getting this? So if I put u equals to y by x square, then the lower limit will be 1 u less than equals to 4. And what is the lower limit and upper limit? 1 less than equals to v less than equals to 5. Actually, you can compare like this: y by x square 1 to 4, xy 1 to 5. That means similarly, actually the my main objective is that 1 to 4. Actually, my main objective is that I I want to change the coordinate from xy coordinate to uv plane basically, because I know that in rectangular coordinate, in rectangular domain, it is easy to integrate. Here the this is u and this is v basically, and this is the rectangular domain. In rectangular domain, it is easy to integrate. So the formula for that is, in I am denoting this as g. Okay, so over the region r, f of xy, okay, dx dy, this is equals to z. I am denoting this. Okay, in place of f, in place of x, I can write uv. Okay, and in place of y, I can write uv. Okay, and this is del xy del uv. Okay, du dv. I think you can know this formula from calculus. If we change the domain, okay, my main objective is that I want to change the coordinate from xy to uv so that it becomes the rectangular domains. That is the main formula for that. So I know the uv lower limit and upper limit. The main thing is that I have to calculate these things. So in order to calculate this thing, I write here, okay, del x comma y and del u comma v mod equals to reciprocal of, we can write like this, uv by del xy. It is easy to know. Then we have to find this one. So del uv by del xy, this is nothing but a determinant, del u by del x, del u by del y, okay, del v by del x, and del v by del y. This is just a partial derivative. So del u by del x minus 2y by x cube, okay, and this is y, okay, this x, this is 1 by x square, okay, this is equals to minus 3y by x square. Okay, you can easily evaluate these things, but we have to find the modulus And how to find the modulus? If we find the modulus of this, mod del u v of del xy is equals to 3y by x square. Okay, but we have to calculate this one. So this is equals to, I can write in this 1 by 3y into x square. Okay, I have to write like this. But in place of x square by y, in place of x square by y, I can write 1 by 3. X square by y can be written as 1 by u. That's why I am writing u, 1 by 3u. So just doing the things. U equals to 1 to 4 and v equals to 1 to 5. Okay, and in place of y square by x, fx here function is y square by x, so this can be written as u into v. If we multiply u into v, then it becomes y square by x. That's why I am writing like this, u into v. Okay, and this quantity, from this we get 1 by 3u, and this is du dv. Okay, you know from this, so you cancel out, only thing will be left, 1 by 3 can be taken to be outside, so v equals to 1 to 5. Okay, v u 4 to 1 dv. So this is equals to, the 3 can be cancelled out, so v equals to 1 to 5 v dv, and this is equals to 12. So this is nothing but just a calculation part. Okay, the main thing is that how we can think that xy can change to an rectangular domain, because if we change the rectangular domain, then it is easy to solve these things. Okay, this is nothing but just a calculation, sir. So hope you enjoy the video and the process, how I can approach this answer. So the answer of this question is 12. Basically, in the upcoming video, I complete the calculus part. Okay, so stay tuned, guys.